So my name's Simon Brown, I'm Managing Director at ArtReach. So this evening we have a private view of our Sanctuaries exhibition, which has been a project that we've been running over the past few months as part of the Kick the Dust and Why Heritage programme. We were fortunate enough at ArtReach to be selected by the Young People's Panel at the Why for funding. Funding came through the Kick the Dust programme and Why Heritage, which is aimed at kicking the dust of heritage.
So my name's Ryan and I got a placement with ArtReach, and as a part of that placement we've been working on something called the Sanctuaries project, which is what we're working on here today. As a part of that we've been putting together workshops with the younger residents of the YMCA. I'm a resident of the YMCA myself. The project itself is about safe spaces and what a safe space is to you.
The Sanctuaries project aimed to involve young people in conversations about heritage venues in Leicester, with a view to thinking about sanctuary.
My name is Corey. I'm a set designer by trade. For this project I've been brought in as a designer and curator almost. I have been in on quite a few of the workshops with all the young people, and my job was to take their ideas and to turn them into what was meant to be 6 exhibitions but has turned up being nearly 11 just because their ideas were so strong, which was really lovely.
So what Sanctuaries means to me is that it's just a safe place for the person, and it could be anywhere and everywhere. My safe place is my broom cupboard, so when I was at home with my parents, unfortunately I used to fight quite a lot, so the cupboard was my safe space.
My safe space is somewhere I've only been once, and that was a place, it was about 5 or 6 years ago in Crete, a place called Matala. But when someone asked me what my safe space was, or to go to a happy place, it was the first place that came into my mind. Yeah, it's kind of just like the whole world fell away when I was there.
I've really enjoyed it here tonight. There's been a real sort of mix of people coming in and lots of different things to see, and I love the way that the theme is about sanctuaries, and then I really enjoyed walking around as a group and experiencing all the different spaces, and the people who are performing it, I believe, are the people who are involved in it, so it's nice to have them show us what their idea of sanctuary is. So it's been a really beautiful experience.
So this project for the Sanctuaries has been really, really eye-opening. It's not something that I would have done especially, but it's really opened my eyes, and it's opened up a lot of the other young people's eyes as well, and brought us all together, really.
I think projects like this are really important in terms of engaging young people and people from diverse communities, and really it chimes with the ethos of ArtReach as an organisation.
In my opinion, the Sanctuaries project is really important to everybody, not just to young people. It's so important that everybody from every background has access to that, and access to the variety of art that exists. It isn't just going to a museum and seeing a painting. It isn't appreciating someone else's art, it's knowing that you have the strength and creativity to make your own.
Not often you get given the opportunity to work with a company like ArtReach, especially when you don't have experience. Working with ArtReach, it's been a very eye-opening experience for me. It's opened a lot of doors for me, given me a lot of opportunities, and I couldn't be more grateful, really.
I think ArtReach have been particularly lucky in terms of the support that it has had from the Y, not just in terms of its staff, but the generosity of the young people there, but particularly to thank the Y for all of the support that they've given to ArtReach throughout the duration of the project.